I'm gonna take a guess. It's a marine warning. Yep.
Issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from pools.
Oh, wait, how's this lighting? Do you guys like the window open or not?
Baltimore Harbor until 4:45 p.m. At 2:51 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from 39 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 32 nautical miles north of the tidal basin to 23 nautical miles northwest of Key Bridge, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, observed wind. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves.
I thought it was the watch.
Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, North Point State Park, Hart Miller Island, Gunpowder River, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, and the 7-foot knoll. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Okay.
The current time is 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, today, mostly sunny. Showers and thunderstorms likely this afternoon. Some thunderstorms.
You have 100 message.
80s.
It's the first of probably many. I don't know. I really don't know.
Oh. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island, Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, until 5:15 p.m. At 3:15 p.m.
Glad I caught that when I did.
Gunpowder River to 25
Would have been a
nautical
surprise
miles
warning.
west of Middle River to 17 nautical miles north of Key Bridge, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, observed wind. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Hart Miller Island, Magothy River, Chester River, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Dorchester Beach, Wharton Point, Pools Island, Spessarty Island, Love Point, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Northeast River, 7-foot knoll, have Delaware Grace and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The current time is 3:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is the regional weather forecast.
You
For
have
the
100
Philadelphia
message.
metropolitan area, today, mostly sunny. Showers and thunderstorms and small hail this afternoon. Wind 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 20.
Oh, man. Well, second marine warning of the day. I'll take it.
Outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from
Bro, how many of these are they gonna do?
Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank
This
River.
one's big. This one's massive.
Till 5 p.m. At 3:29 p.m., showers were located along the line extending from 23 nautical miles west of Middle River to 15 nautical miles north of Tidal Basin to 10 nautical miles west of Key Bridge, moving east at 25 knots.
I'm switching accounts.
34 knots or greater. Source, observed wind. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Eastern Bay, Black Onet Point, Chesapeake Beach, Miles River, North Beach, Herring Bay, Sandy Point State Park, Roanoke, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Flag Harbor, Tillman Island, and Shady Side. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Bro, see? That's a third one. SVR for Morris.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Morris County in northern New Jersey until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was...
Oh, damn. Whoa! Jeez. The first time they go off is when I'm recording my own alert.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 35 and 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 33 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember,
The severe weather goggles are on, boys.
lightning. Repeating,
Well, they're glasses, but who cares?
until 5 p.m.
You can see the camera in my eye. Camera. And my face, too. I really don't care.
Here is the regional weather forecast for the southern Gulf Coast. Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers, likely with a chance of thunderstorms this evening. Then partly cloudy after midnight. Much cooler with lows around.
This is a look. This is massive! This is massive! This is huge! This thing's massive!
Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smithfield, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland.
This thing is
Choptank River to
huge.
Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Patrickson River to Brooms Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 6:15 p.m. At 4:19 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles west of Annapolis to near Indian Head, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, observed wind. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capturing
crap.
their vessel. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Choptank River, Cooper Island Light.
Yeah, that's better. That's pretty good, yeah.
Providence Island, Couple Creek, Town Creek, Drum Point, Hongo River, James Island, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, Batargus, Richland Point Buoy, Taylor's Island, and Tillman Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. At 4 p.m. in Philadelphia, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 83 degrees, and the relative humidity 44%. The wind was southwest at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 24 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.73 inches and falling. At Wilmington, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 82 degrees, the dew point 58 degrees, and the relative humidity 43%. The wind was south.
That's bullcrap. And that's for me.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Royersford, or 17 miles north of West Chester, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Another storm in central Montgomery County crossing into Bucks County may also turn severe. 60 miles per hour, gusts and penny-sized hail.
That's what it said.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs,
There's a
siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Johnstown, Holmesville, Mansfield, Securestown, Purposey, Georgetown, Souderton, Collegeville, Royersford, Chalmers, Travis, and Hatfield. Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County in
Oh, hi all you guys.
northwestern Montgomery County in includes northeast.
That's a late tone out if I've ever seen one.
42. your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, and Montgomery. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia, Collegeville, Royersford, Chalfont, Trapp, Hatfield, Gilman, Schwenksville, Green Lane, Fricks, Spring Road, Cedarville.
Oh, it's just static.
This includes northeast extension between mile markers 27 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, and Montgomery. Here is the region. Saturday night.
I thought I said marine warning. Oh! I thought you meant marine warning for, and, oh, that's where I can't get. Damn, alright. Yeah, that's below where I can get. Frick, alright.
Southeastern Pennsylvania, Eastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Leonville, Markwood to Bear, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Westchester, Norristown, Chester, Deptford, West Deptford,
So am I.
West Norton, East Norton, Pennsville, Belmore, Yevon, Westown, Woodbury, Pittman, Carneys Point, Downingtown, and Conshohocken.
Now it's sunny skies over here. Kinda. Not really, let me see actually. Okay, so to my, what's this way? To my east, it's sunny, but to my west, it is cloudy. Which makes sense, because that's where the storms are. What was I hitting? Oh, I was hitting that. Okay, that makes sense. I was on the Lego box.
Interstate 295 in New Jersey between
This is taking forever.
Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 476 in
Kind of bored.
between mile marker 0 and 19. For your protection,
Yeah, I'm good at this.
on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester.
Chester, just Chester.
The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Chester County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Over Spring Mountain, 21 miles south of Allentown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles. The temperature was 83 degrees.
Oh, I'm gonna keep those off for now.
And the relative humidity 44%.
You know what, in the meantime?
The wind is southwest at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 24 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.73 and falling.
Dude, I missed it again.
The temperature was 82 degrees, the dew point 58 degrees, and the relative humidity 43%.
Yes. Okay, well, this has gone a little too long. Why? Oh, damn, it's getting dark outside. Jeez, dude, my window's open. Anyways.
Chop Tank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Chop Tank River, Eastern Maine, until 5:45 p.m.
Basketball.
4:52 p.m. Showers
Basketball.
will
Who?
along a line extending from near
Oh, hold up. Wait, let me fix this. Hold up.
moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, observed wind. Impact, boulders and small grass could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Nats Narrows Bridge, Tillman Island, Eastern Maine, Blacklehead Point, Miles River, Sandy Point State Park, Dares Beach, Roman Coast, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Shadyside, Highland Beach, Deal and Leo.
Where'd it go?
Safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Oh.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Newcastle County in northern Jersey. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:15.
Ugh. Ugh. Weather station.
60 miles per hour wind gusts.
I should probably turn you on.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
Probably could do that.
Locations impacted include Ewing, Doylestown, Hatboro, Chalfont, New Hope, Yardley, Newtown, Iveland, Rickboro, Woodside, Horsham, Lomberville, New Britain, Churchill, Warminster Heights, Maple Glen, Village Shires. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition,
I'm sorry, but it has to go away.
cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks and Montgomery.
Bucks and Montgomery. Hey, that's me.
You have one
For the
unread
following areas, Chesapeake Bay from Brook Point, Narrow, and Bismuth Point, Virginia. Chesapeake
Nah, I'm not seeing crap.
Point, Narrow, and the Little Chop. The wind was west at 16 miles an hour.
Hey, you were.
Gusting to 20.
Did you not go off? Damn, bro, I thought you were better than that. It is dark outside, though. If you look past the screen, you can see it. It's kind of hard to see it this way, so I'll try to. Damn, my camera's crap.
New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 6:15 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles northeast of Deep Patch Island to near Reedy Point to 10 nautical miles west of Woodland Beach, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fortask Beach, Sea Breeze, Deep Patch Island, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Shipjaw Shoal Light, and Reedy Point. The current time is 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is the regional weather forecast. Philadelphia metropolitan area.
Oh man!
Severe thunderstorm warning for Camden County in southern
I had to shut this. It started raining. As you can see.
eastern Pennsylvania. Southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:09 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending
Oh, it's not for me, but very close to me. Like, not for my house, but very close to my house.
A wind gust of 59 miles per hour was measured at the Philadelphia International Airport. Source.
Oh yeah, Philly.
Impact. Damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines remarkable. Location.
Binghamton. Oh.
Gloucester City, Cherryville, Mount Laurel, Windmill, Voorhees, Medford, Glassboro, Lindenwood, Lumberton, Florence, Belmore, Woodbury, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, and Pittman. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 364 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers.
Bruh.
Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 25 and 58. Interstate 676 in New Jersey
Did you go off?
mile markers
Yeah, you
0
went
and
off.
4.
It's gonna hit the time limit, I know. Time limit hit, be like.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, and Gloucester.
Never mind. Oh, hell no. Yes! When I needed a double header, it happened. Up, and I'm hearing it fade out. I'm hearing it fade out.
Until 6:15 p.m. At
Well,
5:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Princeton.
good job, 100. You went off, and then he started to fade away, so frick you. But it still went off. I'm so happy. How many of these are they gonna push out? Perth and Boy. Perth and Boy. Okay. Manville.
This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 9 and 12. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 64 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 12. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 121 and 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
I am indoors. Yes!
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunter, Mercer, Middlesex, and Somerset. Here is the official message. Small craft advisory in a for the southern Poconos. Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms this evening, then partly cloudy after midnight.
Damn, boy! Marine 1-0. That's spitting. I'm gonna keep that on.
Delaware Bay until 7 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Nearship John Show Light to 16 nautical miles southwest of Slaughter Beach, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots.
Why does that hurt so bad? Oh god.
Radar. Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted.
I'm gonna get at least 800 EASs in this one.
14-foot bag line.
Well, it's my 800th. That'll be a milestone for sure.
Flowers Beach, Miami Light, Brandywine Chill Light, Cross Ledge Light, Cape May Point, and Rehoboth Beach.
Rehoboth Beach.
We have one America.
National Weather Service forecast for Lower Delaware Bay. Small craft advisory in effect until 10 p.m.
That was quick and easy. Whoa! SVR Burlington and Ocean.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Ocean County.
Only took you 2 minutes.
Northeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 6:45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located on the ground hills for each
I greatly apologize.
moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Okay, that's not bad.
60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated.
When I get more radios, should I put them here and just move this over there when I get a desk for once, and then put these like, I don't know, down here? I don't know. It's still work in progress.
Point Pleasant Beach, Presidential Lakes.
I can put them over there actually. I can put radios over there. That stuff doesn't get much action, so I don't know. But
Pleasant Plains, Seaview Land West, Leisure Village East, Dover Beaches South, Georgetown, and Presidential Lakes. This includes storms statewide between mile markers 75 and 93.
Issued when we expect widespread organized severe weather. But warnings sometimes happen without watches because the storms may reach severe limits, but it's going to be more isolated. That's the kind of day that we're dealing with here for today. But warnings are dangerous nonetheless, and we're keeping an eye on some.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Lower Delaware Bay. Small craft advisory in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening.
please do marine warning for that place. That took too long to go on IM bot.
6:09 p.m. Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 27 nautical miles east of Reedy Point to 19 nautical miles northeast of Ship John Show Light to sea breeze, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard.
Shut up!
34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted.
Gage, is this a special marine emergency?
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
This is freaking weird.
Gage, stop being tall.
The affected areas were
We have one
Delaware Bay.
America.
The thunderstorm area no longer poses a significant threat to boaters.
Whatever. Did you even go off?
Here is the official National
Yeah,
Weather
he
Service
didn't even go
forecast
off.
for Upper Delaware Bay. Small craft advisory in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tonight, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to
Your ass seems way better now. I hope you go off next time.